behind all of this, there is a boy who comes from Gorakhpur. 10वीं और 12वीं तक की पढ़ाई मैंने गोरखपुर और इलाहाबाद के हिंदी मीडियम स्कूलों से की है। विलयन, विलय, विलायता, सुगमता, सुघट्यता, भौतिक विज्ञान, रसायन विज्ञान, जीव विज्ञान, जंतु विज्ञान, ये मेरे विषय हुआ करते थे। अगर कभी किसी लड़के ने 12वीं तक मेरे को ये बोल दिया होता कि हेलो हाउ आर यू, तो मेरे साथ के दोस्तों ने उसका मजाक उड़ा के उसको खत्म कर दिया होता। The point that I'm trying to bring here is, very often we make our background responsible for things that we are not able to achieve in life. Let's stop doing this. अगर आपके अंदर दृढ़ निश्चय है और जहां आपको पहुंचना है वो जगह आपके दिमाग में क्लियर है, आप वहां पहुंचेंगे। आप कहां से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं ये मैटर नहीं करता है। प्लेटफॉर्म, I mean, I still feel that whatever I am today is all because of the Indian Army, and I have my respect and would keep that respect for life, for Indian Army, for making me what I am today. And that's how we decided to move out. Certain things in Indian Army that we learned, I'll quickly tell you so that you try and practice that in your life. So the first rule that the academy follows, when you reach there, they break your ego. We all come to a academic institute from different backgrounds. So when you go to the Officers Training Academy for your training, what they do, they break your ego. How do they break your ego? How do they make you equals? So there's a saying called one for all for one. So if one guy has a problem, you're given a bicycle. Suppose your bicycle is not prim and proper, so it's not only the individual who's not in possession of a right bicycle would go walking. The entire company would go walking. If there is one individual who has faltered on a task assigned to that individual, it is not only that individual who would be punished. It is the entire company, eventually that will get punished. So over a period of time, you realize that it's not only your success that matters. Unless it is collective, unless it is collaborative, the success is incomplete. So my 2 cents to all you guys, when you guys are so young and the world has become so competitive, it is very, very important that when you grow, you take people along with you. Okay? So take this learning with you. When you are collectively growing, that growth is for the society. That growth is for the country. That growth is a holistic growth. Let's not look at individual goals and just run after that. Okay, so life ends at Army, all settled, 2 kids. And one more thing that I want to tell you guys is that I came from a Hindi medium school. I did my science 12th. I did Japanese honors. Then I went into Army. After Army, I went for my MBA, the institute where you are. So there is a small interesting story about me getting into Narsi Monji. And of course, Tata Interactive Systems. So when you go to your final year, you have your campus interviews. Tata Interactive Systems, they played smart, and the onboarding drive was pulled about a week ahead of when the actual campus interviews were to be scheduled. I was not there on the campus because my kids were not well, so I had gone to see them. My name was not there in the list. Somehow I managed, reached there, convinced the HR that please include me in the list of interviews. My name starts with D. Many names start with A, B, and C. So typically, even if I ask in this room, 50% of the people will fall with their names starting from A, B, and C, and D to Z would fall in the next 50%. The whole course got divided into 2 parts. Somebody who was not even part of the interview panel. In group B, I was name 1. And in the process of convincing the HR vice president of the company, Vidya Jindal, she had interviewed me, she had asked me certain questions, she saw certain things in me. And when I entered the room for my interview, you know what she said? अरे इससे तो हम मिल लिए, अब इससे क्या पूछना है? I was offered my offer letter in 5 minutes. And somebody who was not even part of the whole batch was the first person who got the appointment letter from the company, which was supposedly our best company, which was there to interview us. The point here that I'm trying to bring on table in front of you guys is very often it happens that we feel that certain things are now over. आप घर से निकलते हो और ट्रेन के बारे में आप सोचते हो ये आज के टाइम में उतना रेलेवेंट नहीं है बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन अवेलेबल ऑन इंटरनेट बट वेरी ऑफन इन योर लाइफ यू वुड ड्रॉप सर्टन थिंग्स अज्यूमिंग दैट दिस इज नॉट मेंट फॉर यू या ये अब नहीं होगा. When you try for things, there is something that works in your favor. I'm not going to repeat Shah Rukh Khan's dialogue here. But when you try for something genuinely, there is some power which acts in your favor. Unless you try for it, don't think that it is not meant for you. You yourself don't know your potential.